Hey guys, yeah, this is Henry here again. Okay, um, I just want to show you guys another proof. I just sent a signal right now to most of my groups, and I told them to buy GBP JPY, and they should buy it more than once. So this is the proof. Let me show you the one of my groups. Let me show you the WhatsApp group. Okay, as you can see, this is the signal. I just sent it now. As you can see, buy JPY and GBP JPY more than once. This is, as you can see, this is Let's Forex 2. Let me show you another group. This is Let's Forex 1. As you can see, Let's Forex 1. So I just posted this signal now. Today's date is October 2nd, 2020. So I also have a Telegram group, but I just created it. So this is it. I also sent the signal here too. As you can see, buy GBP more than once. So I've already screenshotted the profit, few of the profit, and I've sent it so they will see. So this is just to prove that this thing is real. Nobody is deceiving anybody here.